video. Today we're gonna do is open this box of eggs and then also this one. And we're gonna play with our toys. Here you go. Toys! And then, let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna go with... Oh man, Mama, can you help us here? Okay. I wonder what you put there in that, Mama. Yay! Okay. No, the blue one first for you. Okay, you open. It's an egg chocolate. Yay! Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! It's 5 chocolates. And what color is it? Blue. Same. Yay! Let's put this here. And then my turn. Your turn. Okay. Me? I hope. Jelly! And this is one jelly. Look! It's a frog. What's it? And it's green. Your turn, Thor. Another jelly! It's blue. It's cool. It's color yellow. It's blue. And it's orange. Oh look, it's car. It's car. Yay. Okay. My turn. Yay. Eat it. Alright. Another jelly ace again. It's a turtle. It's a turtle. Yes, it's turtle. Yay. My turn. Not that. What do you pick? Oh, no, not there. Here. Okay, you pick the purple one. Another egg. Wait, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. And there's blue, and pink. Oh no. Good job. My turn. What? It's nothing. There's the other one. Yellow. And it's a car again. Wait, let's see the car. There it is. There's a pink car and a pink car again. Okay. Your turn, Thor. Let's see. Oh, let's count. 1, 2, 4. First it's 3, 4, and then 5. It's my turn. Quiet, Thor. It's another jelly ace. And another frog. It's frog. 2 of them. Your turn. Blue. Wait, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Yay! Okay, my turn. Another jellies! What? And it's frog also. Oh no, that's turtle. Where's frog? No. There's this. 3 frogs. Your turn. Oh no, it's a car again. Same color. Okay, now my turn. This is the last one. I hope it's special. A jellies again. Wait. What is it? A teddy bear. A purple teddy bear. Yay! Okay, let's eat. Nope, it's mine. Okay, I'll get this. No, wait. It's strawberry! It's strawberry! Let me taste it. Challenge. Who most eat all of it wins. 1, 2, 3, go. So cold. Wait a minute. There's more eggs. I forgot it. Okay, let's open these eggs now. It's your turn. If it don't have prize, you lost. Don't eat it. Jellies! Yay! It's lion! Yay! See? Lion. Now my turn. Yay! Big shuffle, and then what is it? Oh! A camel! It's a camel! My turn. I died. Mom, open. You wanna play with me? Let's move! Oh, it's chocolate! Whee! Let's move! Move. You don't need to count all of the blue ones, Thor. Hurry up. See? It's blue. Yeah, it's all blue. Look, Thor, look. Mom, what? It's blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo! There's only 2. Okay, my turn. Big! Yay! Okay, your turn, Thor. Yeah, well. That's right. What's it? It's a zebra! Yay! Oh no, no more egg. No egg. It's mine. Joke, it's yours. It's snail! Snail! It's snail! Look! Yay! Okay, we count all that we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 blue eggs. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 7 and 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. The winner of it is the blue egg. Okay, wait. No, it's not. It's 10 because I ate one. So it's 10. This 7. And then 17 and 10. Alright. Bye guys. Hope you like our videos. See you next time. Okay. Bye.